Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well. So today I have a very interesting question. This is on factorization and this is based on exponential factorization. It also has a certain element of surd too. As you can see, root 2. So now how are we going to crack this? Will be very interesting to note. Alright guys. So to start with, we have 27a cube. Now this seems very straightforward. So let me just copy down the question, here. And as you can see, 27a cube can be readily written as 3a whole cube, isn't it? Now what about this? This seems a little twisted. So let us go step by step. 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4. Alright. Now let me just copy down the rest. We have b cube here. Now, still this doesn't seem very welcoming. Correct? Because we can't visualize apart from this any cube here. As a result, let me just bring down one cube, of 2, which means I have 2 to the power 1 left out of this. Let me copy this and then I have a b cube. Correct? Still, the scenario doesn't seem very clear. It's still misty. Hence, what do is, I do some tweak, and that is 2 to the power 3 and to this, can I not write root 2 whole square, and root 2 this one and b cube. Got it? Now I think you people may have understood what I am trying to reach at. Here we have cube of root 2 here and a cube of b, isn't it? Now the thing is very easy for me because I am going to collectively write this as cube in my next line. So I have 3a whole cube, here 2 root 2b as another cube. Since you know that a cube minus b cube can be written as a minus b and a square plus ab plus b square, isn't it? This is one of the algebraic identity, meant for factorization. Clear? So to be able to rearrange according to this, it won't be so difficult, guys. So let us go ahead. So this, therefore, so let me just put this into bracket as we are using this as a tool to factorize this. So we have a minus b, which means our a is 3a and my b is 2 root 2b. So 3a is my a minus 2 root 2b. This is my first bracket. Second bracket is a square. So a square is my 3a whole square, correct? My AB will be, let me write down in the next line, is first a 3a dot 2 root 2b plus what is my b square is 2 root 2b and whole square. Curly bracket closed. All we have to do is now simplification. Alright guys, so we have this first one is very simple. we have to keep it the way it is. Here we have 3 into 3 is 9, 9 and a square. So 9a square. Correct? Plus, what is this? 3 into 2 is 6, ab and root 2. So 6 ab and root 2. And here we have 2 into 2 is 4 and root 2 into root 2 is 2, which means 8, and b into b is b square, isn't it? So we have this as a second factor. So I hope you people have understood. So this wasn't rocket science. I'm sure this is very easy after you have comprehended the way this is to be cracked. Correct? So if I have to reinforce, it is 27a cube and 16 root 2b cube. This seems a little undermissed because we do not understand how to find our cubes. So to do that, we need to convert particularly this to 2 to the power 4 and then root 2 and b cube. Eventually, we segregate 2 to the power 3 and bring out 2 to the power 1 separate. Why do we do this? Because we want to convert this into a square so that we are able to club up with this and get our cube. Correct? B cube will be there just the way it has been there, so we do not much have to work on that. And then finally, having got all of them in cube, we try and club them or collectively write them as cube. And having done this, we have found our identity, which we can use it to our own benefit. So this is a minus b as per this, and this is a square plus ab. This is my a and this is my b. From here we get my b, and then we have a b square. 2 into 2 is 4 and root 2 into root 2 is another 2, which means what? We get 8b square. So I hope you people have understood. So there will be many more such videos coming up in the near future. So keep a track, guys, and I hope your exams go well. Bye-bye. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.